Moms, naka-form na kami ng line. Ay, bunso. Nakaharap pa lang ganyan. Nakikita. Yun, moms, papasok na kami. Mahula ang dunis. Maghihiwalay na upuan na parents.
Sa left.
Kami right? Ay, sa left. Wow, init.
Sa pinagagilid po. Sa white shoes po.
Pagpasok natin, anong gagawin, anak?
Bang po.
Let's standing for the dasal.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
This transition is a testament of our growth, curiosity, perseverance, and the development as students over the past.
Seated in my office, I have found that you have completed the requirements for junior high school.
By the authority vested in me as the school director of Don Bosco's
Almoita Wiener Sean Strong. Panelo Carl Royal Megael Dio Campo. Panelo Carl Royal Megael Dio Campo. Cardal P. Taban, F. Tabandan, should say.
State your name. Do hereby solemnly pledge to uphold all the ideals and principles of the Bosco School of Baguio City Incorporated, and to maintain myself such that I shall be worthy to render services to the best of my ability to my country, to my church, so help me God. For our membership pledge for the alumni, still remain, I state your name, pledge to commit myself as an alumni and to apply sustainable learning, experience, and values from the Bosco School of Baguio City Incorporated as I explore and improve the social and environmental consequence of any endeavor for which I
Tabi niya si John Lee.
For our time, we wish to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all who contributed in any way in making our 11 Moving Up Ceremony and Recognition Day possible. To our parents, guardians, visitors, and our representatives from the Girl Scouts of the Philippines, thank you. It is indeed wonderful to know that you are out there ready to extend a helping hand when it was most needed. May God reward you and your families a hundredfold. Our enrollment starts on
of Baguio City Incorporated. And we praise and thank you, Lord, for your presence of each one of us here, and especially during this moving up ceremony. And we praise and thank you, Lord, for the success of our completers here, and also the students with honor for giving themselves to you, especially
good day everyone and God bless.
Promise pa uwi na kami. Hindi na kami magtatagal dun. Tani, nakakapagod. Magpapahinga kami kasi mamaya magkikita kami nila Mika sa Porta. Kasi susunod si Kyle doon. Maybe, pasok kasi siya. Gusto nga mag-absent. Sabi ko, wag na. Magkukulang siya sa oras. Yan, ma'am, so. Yung graduate boy. Nauna na. Masaya siya, may diploma na siya tapos. Tapos iba yung ginamit nilang graduation song. Hindi yung usual nag-ano sila sa sarili nila. Ay, ma'am, lumalamig.
Kinakanta rin yun sa mga graduation na.
Ay, hindi ko na
Sa Rangola.
hindi yun. Yung hymn na habang nagma-march, tinatawag sa stage, ganun.